Okay, we have the 2007 GMC Sierra. Customer complaint, crank no start. Well, no crank no start. You can see nothing works. So I'm gonna go to full checks. Let's see if we find anything interesting that we have to be watching out for. As you can see by this keychain, it has aftermarket remote. Also, you can see wiring, so I'm gonna get that taken care of. So far, we only have one code. If we are as immobilizer, I'm going to disconnect the alarm and see if we get anything different. Report vehicle detection not programmed. So let's go ahead and get out of here. Let's get into the immobilizer side. Well, before I do that, let me make sure this key is valid. I do have a mess, so I do apologize. This is a life of somebody that does this trade. So like any other trade, you can see, get out of here, read transponder, read. Fortunately picking up other keys, so I'm gonna start unplugging these just so I could get this out of the way and go from there. I'll be back. So I got the vehicle started, took up a bunch of that crud off, you can see right there. Now what I'm doing, I'm just doing a full health report. Going from there. Okay, dashboard back together. Let's try this again. You can see the key. Turns on right away. Voltage is a little low. I advise the customer will decide whether or not to end up fixing that issue. So with this being said, this is the reason why we hate you could say dislike aftermarket electronic devices on vehicles. If your car doesn't come with this from factory, don't put it on. If you put it on, there are risks that you would take with the components on that vehicle. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and catch you on the next one.